Keraflex Maxi S1 is a thick bed adhesive purposely developed for the installation of large format and heavy stone. When preparing Keraflex Maxi S1, add the dry components to the water in a bucket and mix for approximately 5 minutes. Scrape the sides of the bucket to remove any remaining powder. Leave to slake for 5 minutes, then remix for an additional 2 minutes to achieve an even blend with increased workability and open time. Keraflex Maxi S1 adhesive is initially applied using the flat side of the trowel to fix into the substrate. Switch to the notched side of the trowel to gauge out the correct thickness of the adhesive. It's good practice to always back butter the tile for a complete bond between the tile, the adhesive, and the substrate. For ease of application, the adhesive should be spread in one direction, across the body, so that when the stone is placed, it only has to be pushed away and pulled back to close the ridges in the adhesive. It's important for the stone to be firmly worked into the adhesive to close over the ridges and ensure strong contact to reduce any voids behind the tile. Make all alignments and adjustments within 60 minutes. Clean any excess adhesive off the surface of the tiles before it dries. Floor joints can be grouted after 24 hours, depending on weather conditions. With a normal setting adhesive, be aware when applying over a waterproofing membrane there is no absorbency. Additionally, if laying a stone tile with low absorbency or porcelain tile, the adhesive may not have reached full strength. In some cases, the area should be protected from traffic for 48 hours. And just like that, you have a perfect adhesive installation. MAPEI, building the future.